We first need to install the printer driver. Our PrintoLUX software stick has a suitable printer driver for you in the driver folder. On the PrintoLUX software stick, you will find a suitable printer driver in the PrintoLUX FB20_400 stone folder. Here we run the PrintoLUX FB20/400stone.exe file and follow the installation procedure. Click on Setup. Here you will see our printer driver, which we can immediately define as the default printer. And we also want to update the software automatically. Click on OK and select the desired language, in this case, German. Accept the license agreement and click on OK. Wait a short moment. The printer now wants to establish a connection. We can choose here whether we want to have a network connection or a direct USB connection. In this case, I select the USB connection and click on OK. The driver now tries to connect to the printer. We can now turn on the printing system with the power button and connect the USB cable. The printing system then connects to the printer driver and is set up on the computer. This is confirmed by a message. Click on OK, and that's it. The next step is to install the color profile. We will find this in the Color Profiles folder. Here we also select FB20_400 stone. We right-click on the color profile file and select Install Profile. The file is then stored in the correct Windows System folder. We have now completed the installation.